Tired of staring at a blank page, wondering what to write next? Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or social media manager, we all know the struggle. But what if I told you there is a secret weapon that can help you create amazing content in a fraction of the time? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on one of my favorite tools, Copy.ai. This isn't just another review. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial to turn you into a Copy.ai pro. So grab a coffee and let's supercharge your content creation. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to Copy.ai and sign up. They have a free plan, which is perfect for getting started and exploring what the tool can do. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean dashboard. On the left side, you'll find a massive list of tools categorized by use case, things like blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, and even emails. This is where the magic begins. The key is to know what you want to create. Let's start with a common task, writing a blog post. In the Tools menu, find the Blog Post Wizard. This tool is a game changer. It breaks down the process into 4 simple steps. First, you'll define your blog title and the main keywords you want to target. Be specific here. Instead of just marketing, try something like email marketing tips for small businesses. Next, you'll generate an outline. Copy.ai will suggest several structures for your post. You can pick one or mix and match points to create your own custom outline. You can even add your own sections. Once your outline is locked in, the next step is to generate the talking points for each section. This is where you guide Copy.ai. For each part of your outline, add a few key details or angles you want to cover. The more specific your input, the better the output will be. Finally, click Generate Content. In just a few moments, Copy.ai will draft the entire blog post for you, section by section. It's pretty incredible. But remember, this is your first draft, not the final product. Now, let's talk about editing. The generated text will appear in a built-in editor. This is where your human touch comes in. Read through the content, check for flow, and add your own voice and personal stories. You can use the Rewrite with AI feature to rephrase sentences you don't like. Simply highlight the text and let Copy.ai give you alternatives. This is perfect for polishing your draft and making it truly your own. Think of the Copy.ai as your talented writing assistant, not a replacement for your own creativity. But Copy.ai is so much more than just a blog writer. Let's say you need an Instagram caption for your new post. Go back to the tools, find social media captions, and describe your image or video. Enter your topic and the desired tone. Maybe you want it to be witty, professional, or friendly. Click Generate, and you'll get a bunch of options to choose from. You can do the same for Facebook ads, YouTube video descriptions, and even sales emails. The process is always the same. Choose a tool, provide context, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. One of my favorite hidden gems is the Freestyle tool. This is your all-purpose creative partner. Just tell it what you want to create. It could be a poem, a video script idea, a list of product names, anything. Then, tell it the main points to cover and select a tone. The Freestyle tool is amazing for brainstorming and overcoming that initial writer's block. Experiment with different tones like bold, adventurous, or empathetic to get wildly different results. To get the most out of Copy.ai, always give it clear, detailed instructions. The quality of your output is directly related to the quality of your input. Don't be afraid to regenerate results or tweak your prompts. The more you use it, the better you'll get at crafting the perfect prompts for your needs. It's a powerful tool that has saved me hundreds of hours, and I know it can do the same for you. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of Copy.ai. From a blank page to a finished blog post and a week's worth of social media content in minutes. I hope this tutorial helps you break through creative blocks and create more content than ever before. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to level up your content game. Thanks for watching AI Basics Hub videos.